Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious recipe, a hot molcajete with chicken that I know you are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this Mexican authentic hot molcajete with chicken, these are the ingredients. I have the roasted garlic herb seasoning, Mexican smoked paprika, black pepper, mayonnaise, Nopales, cactus, Anaheim chilies, green scallions, panela cheese, chicken, and of course the star, the molcajete. Let's get started. Let's make and enjoy this amazing hot molcajete. Of course, I want to start here first with the chicken strips. Look at this. I have chicken breast and I cut it in little strips so that I could really enjoy it in some delicious tacos. And here I'm adding all the spices into the mayonnaise and I am going to incorporate it completely. Remember, all the ingredients are going to be in the description box. Once you have this ready, then you're gonna cover your chicken strips from both sides. Be very generous because this is really going to give the chicken a delicious flavor and the chicken is going to be really soft and tender. Well, here I'm gonna get all the chicken coated. I'm gonna put it aside, let it rest for at least 1 hour. And now I am ready to prepare my nopales, my cactus. Look at this. I'm gonna slice it like that with little fingers and I'm gonna put it aside. Of course, I'm going to continue with the panela cheese. The panela cheese is a delicious flavor when it is roasted. Of course, you know that you need a delicious salsa. And I'm going to roast these green tomatillos and all these amazing recipes nice and roasted so the salsa comes out smoky and delicious. It really doesn't take too long for the chiles de árbol to be really roasted and crispy, so do not leave them unattended. Look at this. Once your chiles de árbol are ready, remove them and then just flip your garlic and your onion and let them get nice and roasted. This salsa comes out delicious. If you don't like spicy food, just add a couple of chiles de árbol. And here I'm going to remove the garlic cloves, remove the onion, flip the tomatillos, give it a couple more minutes, and then we are ready to start blending away and making this amazing roasted green salsa and enjoy our delicious tacos. This hot molcajete is an easy recipe, delicious, authentic from my beautiful Saguayo, Michoacan. I am sure you're going to love this recipe. I'm adding half a cup of water. I'm adding my tomatillos and the rest of the roasted ingredients. If you really love and liked this video, please leave me a thumbs up. Be part of Cooking with Gloria. Look at this. I am going to blend away. And once this is blended, I'm going to leave it aside, but I want to show you the texture. The texture of the salsa is really thick, really smooth. The aroma is amazing. And you're going to love it. I'm gonna put it aside. At this moment, I am going to get my molcajete nice and hot on the stove. I'm gonna put it on top of the flame and I'm just gonna leave it there until I am ready to use it. I have my Anaheim chilies here. I'm going to roast them really good. Get the skin nice and roasted. My mouth is already watering. I'm going to roast them really good. Put them in this little bag. And when they're done, we are ready to take the skin off of the Anaheim chilies. Look at this, my friends. The Anaheim chili gets an amazing flavor, smoky flavor. You guys are going to love it. It's so easy to remove the skin, so easy to get the seeds out, that you are going to fill them with the panela cheese. Make little taquitos out of your Anaheim chilies. My pan is nice and hot. I'm adding my Anaheim chilies. I'm going to add my panela cheese. I'm going to roast everything really good. And then I'm just going to put aside. Once this is done, I'm going to add my green scallions and my cactus, my nopales. I'm adding garlic, salt, and black pepper. On the same pan, I'm going to add the chicken. I'm going to cook it here for a couple minutes. But look at all these amazing ingredients, nice and toasted. The cactus, the cheese, the green scallions, and of course the Anaheim chilies. My home is already smelling amazing. I can't wait to enjoy this hot molcajete. Like I always say, when you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. And of course, I want to enjoy this hot molcajete with homemade corn tortillas. That recipe, you already have it on my channel. It's very easy to prepare. Your skillet needs to be nice and hot before you lay your tortilla on top. And when they get nice and fluffy, then you are ready to enjoy this hot molcajete. Look at this. Nice and bubbling. Add all the ingredients on the top. Add your cactus, and then you decide how you're going to decorate your hot molcajete. The Anaheim chilies, make sure that you put them on the sides. You put your panela cheese nice and roasted, and then just add all the chicken that you roasted in the center. When you add all your ingredients into a hot molcajete, everything is gonna be warm for at least 1 hour, because the molcajete really keeps everything nice and hot and warm. I'm adding my panela cheese. Look how delicious this looks. If I could make this amazing recipe, yes, you can make this amazing recipe at home too. Be very generous with your panela cheese, with the strips of the chicken, and of course, be ready to prepare yourself an amazing taco. And like I said, if you don't like spicy food, just add less chiles de árbol into your green salsa. I am ready to prepare my taco. I'll see you in just a little bit. I hope you leave me thumbs up. See you in a bit. I'm ready for the presentation. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing hot molcajete. Of course, made at home with lots of love. But this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. And why not with homemade corn tortillas? And of course, you already have that amazing recipe. If you want to enjoy it with flour tortillas, you have that delicious recipe of flour tortillas. But let me stop talking and let me enjoy this amazing taco. Excuse me. The cactus, the nopales are so tasty. You know something? When you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Just perfection made at home. If you liked and loved this recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you didn't, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying these amazing tacos, homemade, and of course in a hot molcajete. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye bye.